Hey you guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be creating this look that I have on my face right now. It is a very natural everyday look that you can have for going out on a date or a coffee date, or just going out with your friends during the daytime or even at night. Stay tuned if you want to know how I get this look. Okay, so first thing first, let's tie the hair back. And for healthy skin, the biggest ingredient to your healthy skin is water. So let's drink some water. Next, let's moisturize our face. And you guys, I have to tell you guys, I absolutely love this moisturizer. I started using it about 3 or 4 months ago, and this thing has made my skin so good. I kind of stopped using it a month ago, but I'm getting back on it again. But I love this moisturizer for my face. It makes my skin look so hydrated. It makes my skin feel so hydrated. I just love this one. Okay, so once we have that, today I'm actually going to be testing the new primer that I talked about in my previous video from the Abnormal Beauty. So I'm just gonna take about this much on my hands. It doesn't really have much of a smell to it. Oh my god, you guys, it feels so good on the skin. I really like it. I really like it. Okay, so next let's go on to, it's very moisturizing too. Like, my hands feel very moisturized. Okay, so next we are gonna go on to the foundation because it's just a daytime look. I'm gonna keep it very minimal. I'm gonna go ahead and use my favorite. Just gonna take 2 pumps on the back of my hand, then put it on my face. Just take my beauty blender. Okay, so once that's done, I'm actually gonna just use some highlighting under my eyes. Then again, go back with my beauty blender. First, I have to bake my eyes right away or I will start creasing, so cannot wait for anything. Okay, so once we have this, I'm gonna just go ahead and do my eyes real quick while my baking sets. So for my eyes, going for a very natural look using Urban Decay's Naked 3. It has all the natural shades and neutral shades. It's a beautiful palette. I'm gonna go ahead and put Nooner all over my eyes. And so once that's done, I'm actually just gonna go ahead with a fluffy brush and just blend it all out. And take a flat shader brush, something like this, and take the color Limit and put it all over my lid. Perfecto. Okay, once that is done, I'm gonna take another flat shader brush, this one, and go ahead with the color Strange. It's a matte white vanilla kind of color. and put it all over my brow bone for a highlight. Okay, dokes, once all my eyes are done, I'm going to take a fluffy duffy brush, something like that, and just sweep away all the baking. I don't bake for too long because I feel like it just gets stuck on my skin. So 3 to 5 minutes is more than enough for me. Okay, for contour, I'm gonna use something very subtle. I'm gonna use LA Pro concealer in color Chestnut. I'm talking about. I'm just gonna put a little bit. This is what I mean by it. Subtle. Then I'm again gonna go with my damp beauty blender. And blend it away. And I'm gonna make sure I blend it enough so it is subtle. But it's just a shadow. And I'm just gonna go ahead and set everything with face powder, and I'm gonna use MAC Studio Fix. I'm gonna use the same fluffy brush and just put it all over my face. I'm just gonna use a stippling brush and use powder contour. So for that, I'm gonna use the Sephora's contour palette, and I believe it is the medium one, if there is any. High, medium, lows. Okay, and I'm gonna use the lighter colors. I'm gonna stick to this. Next, I'm going to use an angled brush for my blush, and I'm actually going to use something that's mine and my niece's favorite because it's pink and it has a flower. And that's Milani's Coral Cove. Next, I'm going to highlight my face, and first I'm going to use ColourPop's Lunch Money Super Shock Cheek, and it looks like this. It's a beautiful color. So what I do is I just take a little bit and dab it on my cheeks, and then I blend it. For brows, I'm actually going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and it's the skinny one. And I'm in color dark brown. Just gonna, again, going for a very subtle look, just gonna fill in the gaps. We're not done yet. Okay guys, this is the final finished look. I went ahead and popped some lashes on. I use House of Lashes. For my lips, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick called Latte, and I have the mini size. I got it as a gift. I actually got a whole set of a few of Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipsticks. This whole pack, I got it as a gift for my bridal shower from one of my friends. So I actually have been loving this palette a lot, and I reach out for this palette quite a bit. So this is the final finished look. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like the video, and I'll be back with another video soon. Bye!